Dear guys, today I will tell you about some DIY ideas. Yarn is a versatile material that can be used to create a wide range of DIY home decor projects. Whether you are an experienced knitter or just starting out, there are many ways to incorporate yarn into your home decor. One of the simplest ways to use yarn in home decor is to create pom-poms. Pom-poms can be made using just yarn and a pair of scissors, and they can be used in a variety of ways. For example, you can create a garland by stringing pom-poms together, or you can attach them to a wreath or other decorative items for added texture and color. Another DIY home decor idea involving yarn is to create wall hanging. Wall hangings can be made using a variety of techniques such as macrame or weaving and can be customized to match your decor style. Yarn wall hanging can be made in any size, from small essence to large statement piece, and can be hung in any room of your home. If you are looking to add some texture to your home decor, consider creating a yarn rug. Yarn rug can be made using a variety of techniques such as latch hooking or crocheting, and can be customized with different colors and patterns. A yarn rug can add warmth and coziness to any room in your home. In addition to these ideas, there are many other DIY home decor projects that can be made using yarn, such as lampshades, plant hanger, and decorative baskets. Yarn is a budget friendly material that can add a personal touch to your home decor while also being functional. So, in conclusion, using yarn in DIY home decor is a fun and creative way to add color and texture to your living space. With so many different techniques and projects to choose from, there is no limit to what you can create with yarn. So, why not give it a try and see how you can transform your home decor with this versatile material? So, dear friends, if you like our ideas, click the like button and subscribe our channel.